What's that I hear? You want to learn YouTube? Perfect. This video is for you. Hello and welcome. My name is Sharon and I have a YouTube channel called Seenagers Now. I want you to check it out because I'm going to show you how to navigate YouTube. And I know some of you baby boomers like me may want to create your own YouTube channel, so I will show you how on this channel. Some people may not know how to use YouTube, so I am going to do a couple videos and teach you how to navigate YouTube and maybe even to eventually make your own YouTube channel down the road. But in this video, I want to talk about 5 reasons why I think that YouTube, it's better than TV. And I'm going to tell you the 5 reasons why I think so. Number 1, there's a huge selection of videos on YouTube. There are millions of videos uploaded on YouTube constantly. So you have a huge selection to choose from, and you can watch entertainment, comedy, educational, how-to videos. You can pick whatever you want to watch. So there's a very, very huge selection. And I will tell you right now that the fastest growing demographic on YouTube right now is the senior population. So a lot of seniors are learning about YouTube, including myself. I've only really been on YouTube for a year. I've learned a lot, and I want to pass some of that on to you guys so you guys can get to see everything that's out there with YouTube. So number 1, there's a huge selection. Number 2, you can watch YouTube at your convenience. So you don't have to worry about setting up a tape to tape something. You can go back and watch the video as many times as you want. So it's much easier for you to watch it at your convenience and rewatch it if there's something, especially if it's a how-to that you don't understand. There's a lot of crocheting videos that I have watched. And believe me, I rewind it, I move it back a little bit, go back to the part, watch it until I get it. And I watch it over and over again. And I think it's great for how-to videos like that. I also believe there's more interaction with YouTube between the influencer or the YouTuber who's making the video and the audience, the viewer. And this is because that's how YouTube is set up. It's set up so you can leave comments, give thumbs up, and YouTube loves all that. So the creator or the influencer or the YouTuber, whatever you want to call them, they love it when you leave a comment. And chances are they're going to get back to you. So in a way, it's kind of like you're directly communicating with that star on YouTube. So it's kind of neat. The other thing about YouTube is there's not paid actors on YouTube. This is real people making videos and being the stars of their own show. And like I said, it's not Hollywood. And so I really appreciate that. I think a lot of people, or I think a lot more people can relate to that. The other thing is with YouTube, you can watch live shows. Sometimes people will go on and have live shows. And that's really interactive because then you're live, and depending on how the show is set up, sometimes you can call in, you can comment and type in, and then get feedback right away from the person. So that's the 5 reasons why I think YouTube is better than television. I hope you agree. If you do, do me a favor, comment, interact with me, give me a thumbs up in the comments below. And if I know you like this video, then I'm going to be continuing to do more of these, okay? More in depth with the technology of how to navigate YouTube. And some people, I think, want their own YouTube channel. I don't think I'm the only one who wants my own YouTube channel, okay? I can't be the only one that wants that, okay? I think some of you people want that, and you have no idea how to do it. So I'm planning on putting some videos together that will show you how to do that, because I believe we all have a voice, we all have a story, and I think it's great that we can put that down, put it in YouTube, and it sits there, and people can come across it one day, the grandkids or whatever, or maybe you want to go out and, publicize it more and have more people watch it, and, maybe one day you'll be a, quote, famous YouTuber. But you have fun with it. So I want to show you guys how to do that. I have 3 YouTube channels. 2 of them are really small. One is monetized. It's got about 1,500 subscribers, and that is an RV travel YouTube channel. I have another one that's meditative music, and the other one is just for seniors, which is this. That's what you're going to watch now. This is going to be on that seniors one. So this video is, I'm trying to make all these specifically for seniors, and I'm going to be talking about some of the tech stuff that we need to know. And believe me, I won't know it all. I'm going to go to my granddaughter who will know it, okay? And then I'm going to have her show me or walk you guys through it. Because like I said, I know with the thing with the young ones, man, they know all that stuff. But they're like, yeah, just boom. And you're like, what? I'm going to take it slower and break it down. As a bonus, a really interesting thing with YouTube too is you can use YouTube for affiliate marketing, and you can make some supplemental income, nothing major, but you know, a little bit of extra cash, especially nowadays, wouldn't hurt with the cost of everything. So that's another advantage to YouTube. It's one of the main things I love about YouTube, to be honest with you. I guess I am a ham, I guess, and I like doing this, but I see the marketing potential in YouTube, which is enormous. It really, really is for everyday people like us with a computer, a YouTube channel. You can go out there and make some passive income. And I'll tell you all about that in the next video. Thanks, everyone. I'll see you soon. Okay, I know you've been watching this video wondering where this background is. So, it is shot in the state of New Jersey. If anyone knows this background, where it's at, please put it in the comments below.